Howdy, Tubal Cain again. Today I want to show you an old engine. This is a Leroy power unit. It's a 4-cylinder engine, gasoline powered. I do not know what the horsepower is, but I don't think it's a whole lot. I think it'd be in the 30 or 40 range, something like that. It's got a clutch on the back end along with a double sheave that could be used to belt drive just about anything that you could think of, such as a grain mill or a small sawmill or a pump or a generator, anything like that. It's a Rockford clutch, and we've got a nice lever here to turn the clutch on and off. This machine is has a Wico magneto for ignition. It is not a distributor. Now there is an electric start on this. I'm sure it's a 6-volter, but I'm starting it with a 12-volter, which won't hurt a thing because it's so momentary and it causes it to crank over so quickly. It can be also started with the Armstrong starter, which I've often done when I have a teenage boy around with decent sized biceps. Radiator, of course, is incorporated into it, and we've got the gas tank there as well. It's a nice unit. On the front we got several controls. We've got a choke here, in and out. Down here we've got a on and off switch that just kills the magneto, is all it does. That's the starter switch if you're starting it with the electric starter, and this is the throttle control, more correctly I suppose called the governor control. Pretty good running engine. Starts right up, doesn't leak any oil or gas. This is the way I found it. I've painted it and cleaned it up and so on, but it hasn't been overhauled or anything like that. Start it up here in just a second. Leroy Company was in Milwaukee. You might still see some Leroy compressors along the roads where they're doing construction. The Leroy logo was a lion. I believe Leroy made some tractors too that would be used in construction, not agricultural tractors. It's a flathead 4. Now we're going to get ready to start it. Okay, we're going to start at a gas engine. Put the switch in and choke a little bit. And she's running. And off it goes. Hope you enjoyed looking at this old Leroy engine. This is Tubal Cain saying so long for now.